Today I am going to show how to make oven baked sweet potato fries. It's much healthier option than your regular fried French fries. These are very easy to make and are very delicious. Before starting with the recipe, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button to be a part of our family. To start with the recipe, here I am taking 3 medium size sweet potato. Then we need to cut the edges of the sweet potato and then peel the skin using the peeler or a knife. But do it little carefully because sweet potatoes are quite hard. Sweet potatoes are good source of dietary fiber and they are very rich in antioxidants, so they are very good for health compared to your normal potatoes. So once you finish peeling, cut your sweet potatoes into small halves and then make it into small half-inch large sticks. So this is how your sweet potato looks after cutting. So let's take a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to it. Now toss your fries well in the bowl in such a way that all the sticks are well coated with cornstarch. Make sure your fries are evenly coated with the cornstarch, as a uniform cornstarch will give a nice crust to your fries. Toss it well. You can see how well the stick is coated with cornstarch. Then add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then add some salt. And half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add a pinch of black pepper powder. And again toss all the ingredients well till they are uniformly coated on all your sticks. Once all your dry ingredients are well mixed, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using coconut oil. You can use any oil like vegetable oil or any other refined oil. Do not add olive oil as they have very low smoking point, which will burn your fries. Then place all your fries with space in your tray. Spacing your fries are very important. If you don't space, the other fries will steam each other and your fries will be more soggy instead of being more crispy. After arranging all your sweet potato fries with proper gap, then we need to preheat the oven at 220 degrees Celsius and place your fries in the oven for 20 minutes. Make sure you toss it or flip the sides after 10 to 15 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, your fries are ready. If you have never tried these fries, do give it a try. They are absolutely delicious and at the same time they are very healthy. If you have liked the recipe, please give a big thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.